model, 2013 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI-100 PS 300 rear-wheel drive, engine is knocking no VAT. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 192,808. MOT, the 15th of January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, the engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074